doing? It's a girl. Karibu sana to my kitchen. And as you can see, oh my god, she's back. Kwanza this time she's glowing.
Yes.
Oh god, by the way, she's a makeup artist. My eyebrows is thanks to her, and you can see she's really glowing. But sasa penye nimeshindwa kuelewa ni
no, you're not.
What has happened here? Because you see,
You're the one who we are training, but she's the one who copied.
No. You came to my home. You found me like this. Okay, but anyway.
I want this in the morning.
Yeah, okay. I understand. This time nimekubali. Karibu sana to my channel.
Thank you. I'm
So this is the day that this girl is gonna sing for us.
Yeah.
So tutaimba tukiendelea kupika, si ndio? So let us get into
join
it.
me.
Yeah. I'll join you in the singing.
Yes.
My people, msijali sitawangusha. So guys, as you have seen, today we are making minced meat. I mean, right away tuanze kujua nitaimba aje sasa.
Yeah, I'm fine.
So,
I'm fine, but kuimba itakandi practice.
So for our ingredients, can you do the honors to our
Yes, today for our ingredients we have coriander, tomato paste, tomatoes, and carrots mixed with capsicum, and of course the main dish.
Yeah,
the minced meat.
And not forgetting the cubes.
Yes, not forgetting the chicken cubes.
Yeah, you can.
More chicken cubes.
Yeah, you can either use beef cubes or
Yes.
chicken cubes.
The one that you have.
Yeah, the only spice we have, or you can even use curry powder.
Yes.
So for starters, put the meat here. So hii part ni ya kusaidia nyama inini. This helps to remove the
water.
Yeah, the water in the meat. Yeah. Others prefer to boil, but for me, I'll just prefer this step first. Yeah. So nitafanya tu hivi mpaka venye itakuwa dry. So unaona maji yetu imeisha. It looks good. So from this end, I'm going to set this aside. And I had forgotten to mention, we now include the kitungus.
Yes, and the garlic.
And the garlic too. Yeah. So let's do this now. So my dear, it's time we get the garlic.
Yes, the next ingredient.
Yeah. Since garlic huwa inaiva haraka, like I normally say this every time. Garlic unaiweka mwisho because inaiva haraka. So I think you should be singing.
Oh, yes. I promise I will sing.
Yeah. Hey.
Oh my goodness. You want me to sing right now?
Please do so.
Okay, there's a song.
Yeah.
It says My Hallelujah. That's what I'm going to sing, and I hope you learn, enjoying.
Okay, I'll learn enjoying. I'll sing.
No, don't sing. Sing. Okay, it goes like My hallelujah belongs to you. My hallelujah belongs to you. You deserve it. You deserve it. Let's sing along. My hallelujah.
Let's first add the
Oh my God,
the tomatoes. So
yes.
I'm going to add the tomatoes.
So as you're still learning the song.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
After the tomatoes are being together.
Okay.
Yes.
Hey. Then I'm going to add my tomato paste. So you think? Okay.
1, 2, 3, go. My hallelujah belongs to you. My hallelujah belongs to you. You deserve it. You deserve it. You're Tony Kionjo.
Oh wow, you sing so nicely.
Thank you very much.
Hey.
I love singing. It's
Yeah,
my hobby.
you really do. So
you.
the next thing we're going to add salt.
Yes, we have forgotten to say we add salt to taste.
Yeah.
So do we add to the stew or to the...
I would prefer you add it the first step here. It will
a little bit on the meat and then some to the...
Yeah, we can just put it once in that process.
Alright. It's really looking good already.
You can see.
Wow. Oh, my taste buds.
Hey,
wow.
hey.
My salad is coming out already.
Looks amazing.
Yes, it's really nice.
Then we are going to add our cube.
How many will we use today?
Only one.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
One is good to go. Normally use two.
It also depends with how much stew you're making.
Stew you're using.
Yeah, for us it's not so much, so we can just one is enough.
Yeah, one is enough for it. So stew so nice.
Hey, okay. When I grow up, I want to be like you.
You've already grown up.
Oh wow. So what's next?
So we're going to add this. My carrots and my capsicum, but for me I won't add all of them because I love the crunchiness of the carrots.
Yes.
So it depends if you love your carrots to be done nicely and smooth or you want it crunchy. So the first one nitazeka at this point, then in nitazeka nimeshaweka my minced meat. Okay. Yeah. So and now we add our minced meat.
Nice and smooth.
Wow. You can do the honors in the...
Don't make it stir?
Yeah.
Okay.
Nice. Nice.
Cookie. This food is already appetizing.
Hey. Wow.
You can see the way they are incorporated. They look really nice.
Yeah.
I love colorful.
Yeah.
The carrots.
Yeah.
They give it that lovely color.
Plus the red and the yellow capsicum.
Yes.
So we're just going to leave it in low medium heat.
For how many minutes?
For like 3 minutes, and we'll come back.
Okay.
Yeah. Wow. So after almost 3 minutes. Wow. Hey. Wow. You can see? Looks so amazing.
Looks lovely.
Yeah. So honestly, this one is like ready. You can serve it at this point, but I'm going to add some water so that I can obtain some thick soup.
Then you bring a horse back.
Hey. So this one is good.
Yes.
Yeah. Totally the soup is thick. So after 5 minutes, we are back.
Soup is looking lovely.
Yeah, it's thick. Yeah. Tomato paste imefanya kazi yake. Looks amazing.
So what are we adding next?
We are adding our carrots.
Our carrots.
Yeah, and several. For me, I love them adding emotion at least.
To give it the crunchy
the
taste.
crunchiness. Yeah.
Okay. So we add our carrots and capsicum.
Yeah. Then we finish it with our dania because we're like done.
Okay. We add it just immediately?
Yeah.
Okay. This is my best spice, honestly.
Dania?
Yeah. Anytime.
Yeah. The dania garnishes the food, don't it?
Yes.
Yeah. So
gives it a nice aroma. Can we just stir it?
Yeah.
Oops, sorry. Yeah, cooking is an art.
Yeah, honestly.
As much as it is a skill.
Because it's creativity, how you want this to appear. Honestly, I'm loving it.
How you play around with your ingredients.
Yeah.
It's what you call cooking, right?
You don't have to have like the expensive spices or ingredients. As in you can use what you have to color your food.
Very true.
Yeah.
I love it.
So let us serve it.
So people, we present to you our minced meat. As you can see, the colors are so beautiful. The meat looks really tasty and appetizing. And now you are it. Now I'm gonna salivate to wondering when you're going to start eating this.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is the final product. Looking all lovely.
Thank you tukule ama tutamaliza na tukule. Like
Tutamaliza
hakuna yani point ya kwanza kusema I love it. Yani kai.
We are going straight to the plates.
Yeah.
Into eating. And you can serve this with the rice.
Yeah.
Spaghetti.
Yeah.
It will really go well.
Yes, and rice and spaghetti, you're good to go.